Welcome to our tutorial on how to verify your Facebook account by phone number. Follow these simple steps to ensure you can easily verify your account and keep it secure. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Then, tap the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From there, tap the gear icon to access the settings. Next, tap on Account Center and then Personal Details. From there, tap on Contact Info and select Add New Contact. Choose Add Mobile Number and enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap Next to complete the verification process. Facebook will send a verification code to your phone number to confirm that it belongs to you. By following these steps, you can easily verify your Facebook account and enhance its security. Remember to always keep your contact information up to date to ensure you can easily regain access to your account if needed. That's it for our tutorial on verifying your Facebook account by phone number. Thank you for watching.